Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Magslider magnet is probably one of the most overlooked components of your favorite drinkware. Today, we're diving deep into the world of replacement magnets for your Magslider products. Whether you've lost a magnet, or it's simply worn out, we'll cover everything you need to know to keep your gear functioning flawlessly. Let's find the perfect replacement and keep your drinks secure. Number 5. Yeti Rambler Magslider. This is the new Magslider from Yeti. It's designed to keep your drinks secure and prevent spills. The innovative design makes it easy to use. The Magslider uses magnets to stay firmly in place. This provides a strong seal to keep your drink inside. You can easily slide it open and closed. Made with durable materials, this is built to last. It's perfect for everyday use, whether you're at home or on the go. It's a great choice. The Magslider is also easy to clean. You can simply rinse it under the tap or put it in the dishwasher. This makes it very convenient. With the Yeti Rambler Magslider, you can enjoy your drinks with confidence. It's a simple yet effective solution for preventing spills. Get yours today. What we like. This is the original Magslider from Yeti, designed to perfectly fit your existing lid. It's a simple way to refresh your cup and keep it functioning like new. If you need a direct replacement from the original brand, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Perfect identical replacement. Perfect for the Yeti Rambler. Did what it was supposed to do when I used the original. Ease to use and good quality. Number 4. Yeti Replacement Magsliders, 3-pack. Need a new magnet for your Yeti cup? This is the perfect solution. This pack includes 3 replacement Magsliders, ensuring you're always prepared. These Magsliders are designed specifically for Yeti lids. They are easy to install and will keep your drink secure. Made by Yeti, you can trust the quality and durability. They are built to last and withstand daily use. Simply replace your old Magslider with the new one. It's a quick and easy process. You'll be back to enjoying your favorite beverages in no time. Don't let a missing magnet ruin your day. Grab this 3-pack of replacement Magsliders and keep your Yeti cup functioning perfectly. Get yours now. What we like. This replacement kit offers a variety of colors to personalize your lid, and it's compatible with all Magslider lids. The high-quality materials are also dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. If you like to add a pop of color and want an easy-to-clean option, consider this. What people say. The Yeti Magslider is an excellent magnetic sliding cover for the lid of Yeti tumblers. The magnetic feature is a convenient and secure way to keep the cover on tight, preventing leaks and spills. The slider is also easy to open and close, making it simple to access your drink when you're on the go. The Yeti Magslider is identical to the factory new original in terms of functionality and performance, the only difference is that it comes in different color options. These work perfect as a replacement if you're like me and keep dropping your cup and everything flies off of it. Number 3. Magslider 6-pack replacement for Yeti magnetic lids. Introducing the perfect solution. These replacement magnets are designed to seamlessly fit your Yeti Magslider lids. They're easy to install and will have you enjoying your favorite beverages again in no time. These replacement sliders are compatible with all Magslider lids, including 10 ounces, 16 ounces, 20 ounces, and 30-ounce sizes. You don't need to buy a whole new lid, just replace the magnet. Made from high-quality materials, this replacement is built to last. The magnets are also dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean and maintain. This helps keep drinks warm or refrigerated for longer. You'll receive a beautifully designed package containing 6 replacement magnets in a variety of colors: Nordic blue, Nordic purple, charcoal, navy, white, and seafoam. We're so confident you'll love this product that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy for any reason, we'll provide full assistance. Contact us anytime for one-on-one email advice. What we like. This kit provides 3 different color options to customize your tumbler. It fits a wide range of Yeti Rambler sizes, allowing you to easily switch up the look of your drinkware. If you like to change your style frequently and want a simple way to add a bright detail, this is a great option. What people say. These replacements work great and even can match my attire for the day. Solid fit, great colors, excellent buy. Works as intended. Minimal, if any leaking with aggressive movement. Colors good. Number 2. Aliensx MagSlider Replacement Kit, 3-pack. Introducing the Aliensx MagSlider Replacement Kit. This kit includes 3 magnetic slider blocks in red, navy, and black. It's designed to fit a variety of tumbler sizes. This MagSlider is compatible with 10 ounces, 16 ounces, 20 ounces, 26 ounces, and 30-ounce tumblers. It's easy to install and provides a secure fit for your drinkware. Easily add a pop of color to your tumbler. You can mix and match the colored magnets to suit your style, changing them as often as you like. Please note that the actual colors may slightly differ from what you see on your screen. This is due to screen variations. However, the quality remains the same. Order your MagSlider kit risk-free. If you have any questions about your order, please contact us. We're here to help and will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This replacement set offers more colorful patterns to make your tumbler unique. The strong magnet helps reduce spills and messes, while the design makes opening and closing easy. If you want a more personalized look with a strong and functional magnet, you should consider this. What people say. These were great replacements, though, and nice to keep in the cabinet in case I lose a slider for real. The magnet is just as strong as the original one and it's always nice to have a few backups, just in case. This product works well. Number 1. Yeti MagSlider Replacement Set of 4. Tired of the same old look? These replacement parts come in 4 vibrant patterns. It's an easy way to personalize your tumbler and make it stand out from the crowd. Make your mark with these MagSlider lid replacements. A small change can make a big difference in how you enjoy your drinks. Customize it to truly make it your own. These replacement parts feature a strong magnet to reduce spills and messes. They're designed for easy opening and closing, so you can enjoy your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. These replacements fit Yeti Ramblers with MagSlider lids, including 10 ounces, 16 ounces, 20 ounces, 26 ounces, and 30-ounce tumblers. They also fit 20-ounce replacement lids. It's a perfect fit for your needs. These are designed to replace the magnetic slider on your Yeti lids. This set of 4 offers a simple solution to refresh your tumbler. It is easy to install and use. What we like. This replacement set offers more colorful patterns to make your tumbler unique. The strong magnet helps reduce spills and messes, while the design makes opening and closing easy. If you want a more personalized look with a strong and functional magnet, you should consider this. What people say. The magnet is a perfect fit and works great. The magnet is a direct replacement and works just like the original. It's a perfect replacement for my Yeti tumbler lid. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.